You're watching this video because your doctor has recommended an ankle arthroplasty, also known as ankle replacement surgery. This is a surgical procedure used to relieve the pain and loss of joint mobility associated with various forms of arthritis. These conditions involve loss of joint cartilage and wearing of the bone, causing restricted mobility and pain. The ankle is where the shin bone meets a foot bone. An incision is usually made over the front or side of your foot. The worn-out parts of these bones are removed completely. The bones are then shaped, ready for the replacement parts. The replacement joints, made from special medical metal, are impacted onto the bones. A special toughened medical plastic plate is placed between the new surfaces to reduce friction and make the movement of the new ankle joint feel more natural. Contact with this metal stimulates the bone to grow into it. This forms a strong bind so that cement is not required. The surgeon will then test the range of motion and smoothness of the joint movement before closing the skin with sutures. The contents of this video are a general depiction of this procedure and the risks involved. It's not necessarily accurate for your personal situation. Information specific to your individual circumstances is listed in the written consent information sent to you by your healthcare team.